meteorologist Kate McKenna.
Time now 6:46, and it'd be a brisk walk to your car this morning. It's chilly.
Yeah, and maybe put the gloves on because I think that you might need to scrape the windshield this morning. A little bit of frost trying to develop, and you know, that's a process that normally starts during the overnight hours, and the frost kind of reaches its point at its thickest right around sunrise. So it's kind of what we got this morning. Temperatures still continuing to drop for a couple of us. We're at 29 degrees in Florence, 28 in Fort Payne, 33 for Huntsville, 37 in Athens, and we're at 34 in Fayetteville and in Guntersville. So those of us that are a couple degrees below freezing, especially, be mindful of giving yourself some extra time because of that frost. Those of us that are above freezing, not so much of an issue for, let's say, Athens at 37. Regardless, we'll all be warming up pretty nicely today, thanks to a mostly sunny sky and just a few thin high clouds. Here's what's shaping up as we go throughout the rest of your Tuesday, starting at 9 o'clock this morning. By the afternoon, no big change, just the thin high clouds. So we get to call today mostly sunny. Tonight, though, partly cloudy, and for tomorrow, things look a little bit different still. I want to go back to this frost freeze forecast because temperature-wise, while we're starting in the low to mid 30s currently, yeah, frost is possible. And that's the reason why I'm talking about this is you may need to scrape your windshield because temperatures aren't consistent across the valley. As we get into really tomorrow and Thursday, not only do we have the cloud cover in place, which prevents frost formation, but temperatures are back into the upper 30s, so that frost is going to become unlikely. However, Saturday morning, there's that burst of cold air that comes in behind this next system that I'm getting ready to show you. So I think we might need the ice scrapers for Saturday morning. We're looking at kind of the line between a light and hard freeze. So here's that next weather system. We start out with a mostly cloudy sky, partly cloudy sky in the morning. It becomes mostly cloudy. Showers try and work their way in from the southwest here, and I say try because there's only a 20% chance for a stray shower. The rain really gets going overnight tomorrow into early Thursday morning. Here's 6 a.m. This is what we wake up to. A wet morning drive, a wet lunch hour, and a wet drive home from work at 5 o'clock. Rain off and on throughout the day. It can be a little bit heavier, especially during the morning. And once we get into Thursday night, Friday morning, no huge improvement, but the rain does start to break into some scattered showers before it's out of here by noon on Friday. We're just seeing showers left over through Lincoln County, Jackson, DeKalb County. Elsewhere, it's mostly cloudy, but at least it starts to dry out. I'm sure you're noticing the indication for a little bit of mix here through our higher elevations. Watch what happens once we get into Friday evening. The moisture moves out, and for higher elevations just to the northeast of the Way 31 coverage area, it's possible to get some wet snow, but most of the moisture is going to be gone for us before that changeover happens. And by Saturday morning, we wake up to a mostly clear sky, but cold. Saturday morning, remember, 30 degrees. In between, 20% chance for a stray shower on Wednesday, 70% chance for rain on Thursday, and for Friday, another 50-50 shot at those showers off and on through the day. In total, we're looking at about half an inch up to an inch of rain between Thursday and Friday. Enjoy that 61 degrees while we have it, because on Friday, that high is only 42. We're mostly sunny through the weekend. If you're traveling for holiday plans, should be fine for Saturday and Sunday. I think it's still going to be fine for Monday. I mean, it's a 20% chance for a stray shower, 54 degrees on Christmas Eve. Christmas Day is looking pretty good as well, nearly a carbon copy of what we've got for Monday, 54 and partly cloudy with that 20% chance for a stray shower.